Welcome back to another video with me and my soul. And today we're going to talk about the air that your car breathes. That's right, your car, it breathes air just like you. Now, the same way you change your air filters for your HVAC, it's the same thing you're going to do for your car. This will also be 5-minute swap per usual, got you as always, and it's going to save you a ton of money. Also, biggest part about it, it's going to help with longevity of your car. So let's get it. I got you. Alright, so I'm going to show you all how to change up the air filter for your car. Now, never mind all the junk. But here you're going to look for air filter. Let's go. Ooh, got it out. Sorry. Alright, so now we're in here. See this little door? That's going to be the door to the air filter. So there's some tabs at the bottom. Each one, this side's broken for me. But you're going to pinch, pull it out. And you're out on that. Next, we got the actual air filter. So you're just going to pull that and make note of which direction it's pointed in. So then we're going to get the new one. Alright, yeah. Slide it in there. Get the door. So those two are back on there. Alright, put the air filter back on. And voila. What we're gonna do is this is where the air filter is. I'll show you the whole car so you can see proximity in your brain to where the air filter is. Now, as you can tell, air filter shapes as such, so we are in good business. Down there, you're gonna see a latch. It's way right there where my fingertip is. There's gonna be two, one on the front, one on the back. We're gonna unlatch those. Also, there's gonna be like this part here is a slider, so when we unlatch, we're gonna slide it and pop it out. So that's how we're gonna get this bad boy out. So let's get it. So one latch is off. We're just gonna pop it loose. Boom. And then now we're just gonna and boom. There you go. And this is what it's looking like. So it's catching all that dust and debris and stuff like that. So now we're gonna get the pretty one and put it back in there. Look at all that down there. I need to like vacuum that out. That in. Boom. Slide it back into those little slots that I was telling y'all about. Both sides. So it's in there. And then we're just gonna pop these latches back on. So as promised, super easy fix, 5 minutes. If you get past the jitters, I recommend you do this pretty frequently. Check it out. So next time if a mechanic tells you you need your air filter swapped, you already know what to do. So, and you save yourself money. So win-win. If you are not following, please do follow, like, comment. Let me know how your experience has been. If you like these videos, also let me know. All suggestions are welcomed. Please. I do appreciate you. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.